हेलो एंड वेलकम टू दिस एडिशन ऑफ दिस डे इन हिस्ट्री। आज है 31 दिसंबर और आज ही के दिन 1600 में ब्रिटिश ईस्ट इंडिया कंपनी की स्थापना की गई थी। Establishment of East India Company marked a turning point in global trade and geopolitics. This company, initially formed to engage in trade with the East Indies, became a dominant force that reshaped the histories of nations, especially in South Asia. The British East India Company was granted a royal charter by Queen Elizabeth I on December 31, 1600, giving it the monopoly of trade in the East. इस कंपनी का मेन ऑब्जेक्टिव था वैल्यूएबल स्पाइसेस, सिल्क, कॉटन और टी का ट्रेड करने का, जो उस समय यूरोप में काफी डिमांड में थे। Initially, it faced stiff competition from the Portuguese and Dutch traders already established in the region. Over the time, the company transitioned from a trading entity to a powerful political force. इसने भारत में अपने इन्फ्लुएंस को बढ़ाने के लिए ट्रेड सेटलमेंट्स और फोर्ट्स बनाए, जिसमें सूरत, मद्रास, बॉम्बे और कलकत्ता जैसे सेंटर्स इंक्लूडेड थे। By the mid-18th century, it was no longer just a trading company but effectively a ruler of large parts of India after significant victories like the Battle of Plassey 1757. कंपनी ने भारत के इकोनॉमिक और सोशल स्ट्रक्चर पर डीप इम्पैक्ट छोड़ा। While it introduced modern administrative systems and infrastructure like railways and telegraphs, it also led to massive exploitation of resources and people. The company's policies resulted in economic drain, famines, and social unrest. By 1858, following the revolt of 1857, the British Crown dissolved the East India Company, bringing India directly under the British monarchy's rule. The British East India Company remains a symbol of both innovation and global trade and the consequences of unchecked imperial ambition. It reshaped the world economy and left a complex legacy that is still studied today.